In today's video, we'll recommend you the best budget mechanical keyboard to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Budget Mechanical Keyboard 2022 is Redragon Dragonborn K630 RGB. Wired alternative. If you'd prefer a wired connection with your compact board, check out the Redragon Dragonborn K630 RGB. While it doesn't feel as well built and sturdy as the Obinslab and Pro 2, it's much cheaper and is hot swappable. Though it only works without any new brand switches, you can change the switches at any point to get your desired feel. This keyboard has full RGB backlighting and individually lit keys, a rare feature on a budget board. You can customize the lighting effects in the companion software, which lets you create up to 3 profiles and program macros and hotkeys. At number 4. Obinslab and Pro 2. Best Compact Budget Mechanical Keyboard. Compact-sized keyboards are having something of a moment right now. Whether you're a minimalist or you have a tiny desk, if you're interested in a compact keyboard, you should check out the Obinslab and Pro 2, the best compact budget mechanical keyboard that has been tested. It's a 60% compact keyboard that takes up a very small footprint on your desk. It has a plastic frame, but it feels very well built and has high-quality, double-shot PVT keycaps. It connects wirelessly with a USB receiver or via Bluetooth, but you can also use it wired. Using it wired eliminates your need to worry about running out of battery, and makes it a much more viable choice for gamers, thanks to its exceptionally low latency over a wired connection. At number 3. Corsair K63 Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Best Budget Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. If you're looking for a wireless option, the best budget wireless mechanical keyboard that has been tested is the Corsair K63 Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. It connects wirelessly with a USB receiver or Bluetooth and supports multi-device pairing with up to 2 devices, making it a great addition to a setup with a PC and a mobile device. It has individually lit keys with shine-through keycaps, meaning you can see your keys in a dark environment. However, the backlighting only comes in one color, blue or red, depending on the variant you opt for. Unlike some other mechanical keyboards on this list that come with a wide choice of switch options, this keyboard is only available with Cherry MX Red switches, which provide a responsive typing experience, though they take a bit of force to actuate. Unfortunately, it's made entirely of plastic, which feels cheap, but that's normal for a budget wireless board. At number 2. Redragon K552 KUMARA RGB. Best TENKEYLESS Budget Mechanical Keyboard. If you don't need a numpad, the best TENKEYLESS budget mechanical keyboard that has been tested is the Redragon K552 KUMARA RGB. This TKL board has a small desk footprint, leaving you with more space for notebooks or mouse movements. Surprisingly, it has full RGB backlighting that's customizable, which is fairly uncommon for cheap mechanical keyboards. This keyboard only comes with clicky out emu blue switches, which provide a satisfying audible click. Also, the typing experience overall is decent, as the keys feel stable, and the keycaps feel nice to the touch. It also has a Windows lock feature, so you won't accidentally minimize games or media by pressing the Windows key. At number 1 of the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboard 2022 is EVGA Z15. Best budget mechanical keyboard. The EVGA Z15 is the best budget mechanical keyboard that has been tested. It's an entry-level keyboard with surprising performance and extra features that help it compete with more premium models. It's full size and comes with a comfortable wrist rest for good ergonomics, so you shouldn't be easily fatigued by using it for long periods. It's available with linear Kale Speed Silver or Clicky Speed Bronze switches. The bronze switches that were tested have a short pre-travel distance, are light to press, and offer tactile feedback, but not as much as other clicky or tactile switches. This keyboard also has remarkably low latency and supports a maximum polling rate of 4000 Hz, higher than most gaming keyboards. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboard 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our keyboard buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.